I am here at Hemlock Falls, located in North Jersey, and I'm here with a buddy from another video.
Oh, hi guys.
Oh, it's cold. Whew. So as you can see, there's ice underground. We only came to this trail because of the weather. If it was any colder, we wouldn't have come because most of the trail would be covered in ice, and we would have had to come with spikes. But since we don't have any and we saw that the weather was pretty good, we decided to come on. And yeah, looks like it's worth it so far. Everything is pretty dry. The snow and ice is melting. It's a plus for us. So my boots are a bit ashy. I'm gonna take him for a little dip.
Should review?
There. Now they're all clean. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to walk this really thin wooden log. I'm gonna shed some weight off because I feel like it's gonna break.
Don't attempt this at home. Yeah. Oh. My knees. Your knees?
You got it. There's ice and the water and the rocks are still wet. And we have to get here.
Clench them cheeks.
Huh?
The trick here is to do the penguin walk. I'm doing a technique. Yeah?
Alright, first off.
This just falls apart. All the fibers of the tree. That's cool.
It's so cool.
So there's the woodpecker, and the scraps of wood are literally falling right next to us. This right here is a piece of it, and you can tell because it's still clean. It's freshly off the tree. Now see, that just fell as well. Did you slip?
Not good.
So because of this, they blocked the trail by putting logs all over where the old trail was. They just put the logs down so that people wouldn't walk. It's pretty smart actually. You volunteered to carry the pack, right?
Yeah.
The last 5 minutes of the trail.
We're such a
Cars
great
are right
friend.
there. Such a good friend. You brought white shoes to a hike.
Yeah.
Goofy. Okay, so we completed the trail. This 48-minute trail took us only 2 hours and 30 minutes. But we have an excuse because we were recording, so we had to stop in areas. Overall, this was a pretty nice trail. I give it a 4 out of 5. You?
I give it 3
Don't
big
care.
booms. Boom, boom, boom.